Welcome to Fact Frenzy, where we uncover the most intriguing facts from across the globe. In today's episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of the Middle East's most formidable military forces, the Iranian Army. With a unique history, vast resources, and strong regional influence, the Iranian armed forces play a significant role in the world's geopolitical landscape. Get ready to uncover some surprising facts about Iran's military power. Fact number 1. The largest army in the Middle East. Did you know that the Iranian military is the largest in the Middle East? With over 500,000 active-duty personnel, the Iranian Army, or Artesh, along with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, commands a formidable fighting force. Including reserves, this number swells to over 1 million. It's a force that ensures Iran maintains its military presence both at home and abroad, making it a critical player in the region's security dynamics. Fact number 2, a diverse military geography. Iran is a country of diverse landscapes, from towering mountains to vast deserts and dense forests. The Iranian army is trained to fight in a variety of environments. Iranian soldiers undergo extensive training to be able to operate in the mountains of the Zagros or the desert expanses of central Iran. This capability allows the Iranian military to remain highly adaptable, a crucial advantage in any potential conflicts that could arise across different terrains. Fact number 3, the power of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC. The Iranian military has a unique structure. Alongside the regular Iranian army, there's the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, a powerful paramilitary organization that operates independently and holds significant political influence within Iran. Established after the 1979 revolution, the IRGC plays a vital role in both Iran's defense and its international strategy. It controls the nation's ballistic missile program and conducts military operations across the Middle East through its elite unit, the Quds Force. Fact number 4, one of the largest missile arsenals in the region. Iran possesses one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East. With a focus on long-range ballistic missiles, Iran has developed advanced missile technology capable of striking targets up to 2,000 kilometers away. The development of these missiles is a central part of Iran's defense strategy, designed to act as a deterrent against foreign aggression. The missile arsenal includes systems like the Shahab, Fateh, and Zolfaghar missiles, which have been prominently featured in military parades and regional conflicts. Fact number 5, veterans of the longest conventional war of the 20th century. The Iranian army has extensive combat experience, particularly from the Iran-Iraq War, which lasted from 1980 to 1988. This brutal conflict, often referred to as the longest conventional war of the 20th century, shaped Iran's military doctrine. Over 500,000 lives were lost during the war, and it left a lasting impact on Iranian society and the military's approach to defense. The lessons learned from this war still influence how Iran conducts its military strategy today. Fact number 6, women in the military. Though the Iranian military is predominantly male, women do serve in the armed forces, primarily in administrative, intelligence, and medical roles. Following the 1979 revolution, women's roles became more limited, but in recent years there's been a growing movement to allow women more access to military jobs. While they are not yet on the front lines, women play a crucial supporting role within the Iranian army and are increasingly visible in official capacities. Fact number 7, dominance in the Persian Gulf. Iran's geographical position gives it a strategic advantage in controlling one of the world's most critical maritime choke points, the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly 20% of the world's oil passes through this narrow waterway. Iran's naval forces, both from the Artesh and the IRGC Navy, are responsible for patrolling these waters. The Iranian Navy, though not as large as some other regional powers, is highly capable of defending its coastline and conducting asymmetric naval warfare, which includes the use of fast attack boats, submarines, and anti-ship missiles. Fact number 8, pioneers in drone warfare. When it comes to unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones, Iran is a regional pioneer. The Iranian military and the IRGC have developed a sophisticated drone program that includes reconnaissance drones as well as armed UAVs capable of striking targets from a distance. These drones have been used in regional conflicts, including in Syria and Iraq, and are an essential part of Iran's strategy to extend its influence beyond its borders. Iran's Shahid series drones, in particular, have gained significant attention for their capabilities. Fact number 9. Prepared for chemical warfare. Iran is highly trained to defend against chemical warfare, a legacy of the Iran-Iraq War, during which chemical weapons were used extensively by Iraq. As a result, Iran has invested heavily in chemical warfare defense, ensuring that its troops are prepared for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. Iranian soldiers undergo rigorous training in the use of protective equipment and decontamination procedures to survive in such hostile environments. Fact number 10. Hypersonic missile capabilities. In recent years, Iran has made headlines by developing hypersonic missile technology. These missiles are capable of traveling at speeds over Mach 5, making them incredibly fast and difficult to intercept with current defense technologies. What makes these missiles even more formidable is their ability to separate into multiple warheads mid-flight, dramatically increasing their chance of reaching their target. This cutting-edge technology positions Iran as a key player in the future of missile warfare, further solidifying its defense posture. Fact number 11. A military tied to religion. The Iranian military is unique in how closely it is tied to the country's religious leadership. The supreme leader of Iran, currently Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, is not only the country's highest political authority, but also the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. This tight link between religion and the military is fundamental to how the Iranian army operates, with soldiers often being indoctrinated with religious and revolutionary ideology as part of their training. This makes the military not just a defense force, but a key part of maintaining the Islamic Republic's political system. From its vast missile arsenal to its powerful IRGC and cutting-edge hypersonic technology, the Iranian army plays a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of the Middle East. With an evolving strategy and a deep commitment to defense, Iran remains a military force to be reckoned with. That's it for today's episode of Fact Frenzy. If you enjoyed learning these surprising facts about the Iranian army, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts from around the world.